In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Framer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to place a video on your page, connect it to an online source or upload it directly, and get it ready to use in your design. First, make sure you have your Framer project open and that you're on the page where you want your video to appear. At the very top left of the Framer interface, you'll see the Insert option. This is where all the basic elements and components live. Go ahead and click on Insert. Think of this as opening your toolbox in Framer. Once the Insert menu is open, look for the section labeled Media. This is the category that includes anything related to images, videos, and other rich media content. Click on Media to expand it. You should now see a list of media-related elements, including the video element that we'll be using. Next, from within the Media section, find the video element and simply drag it onto your canvas. Drop it on the page exactly where you want the video to appear. At this point, you'll see a placeholder video frame sitting on your design. You can click and drag the corners or edges to resize it, and move it around until it matches your layout. It doesn't have to be perfect right away, because you can always adjust it later. With the video element on your page, the next step is to set the actual video source. To do that, double-click on the video element you just placed. Double-clicking will highlight the element and bring up its detailed settings in the left sidebar. This is where you control things like which video plays, how it behaves, and more. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option to either paste a video URL or upload a file. If your video is hosted online, for example on a video platform or your own server, copy the link and paste it into the video URL field. Framer will then pull that video into your project. Make sure the link is publicly accessible, otherwise the video may not load correctly when you preview your site. If you prefer to use a file from your computer, choose the upload option instead. Select your video file, wait for it to upload, and Framer will automatically connect it to the video element on your page. Once that's done, your video is now successfully added to Framer, and you can preview your project to see it in action.